Welcome to the Kunateh Impact Show, where growth begins with accountability and leadership is built through action. I'm Abdul Kunateh, and every episode is designed to give you practical, real-world insights you can apply immediately to lead yourself better, lead others stronger, and build something that lasts. Because real impact starts with how you show up every day. Let's dive in. Here's the problem. Your calendar is full, but your decisions are not. Recurring meetings become status reports, conversations circle, and momentum leaks away. What if 10 minutes of disciplined structure could turn that same hour into real decisions and faster execution? Today, I'll give you a 3-act meeting makeover you can pilot this week, a pattern leaders use to turn time into decisions predictably. Before the framework, a quick story. A cross-functional product launch I led slipped off the rails. Missed deadlines, mixed priorities, and weekly checkpoints that felt like treadmill conversations. We were all busy, but not decisive. I changed one thing. The weekly checkpoint shifted from status to a 3-act decision engine. Within 2 weeks, we reversed momentum, removed blockers, and shipped major features on a tighter cadence. That change saved the program and saved weeks of wasted energy. Okay. The promise. This structure is simple, repeatable, and designed so the first 10 minutes produce a clear, testable decision. Over the next few minutes, I'll walk you through each act, give you example language you can copy, and 3 lightweight artifacts. The decision card, the trade-off card, and the commit and check template. Use them this week. No new software required. Act 1, frame the decision. Start every meeting with a single decision statement, a success criterion, and a 1-line agenda. This kills ambiguity and orients energy. Say something like, decision, choose the launch day for feature X. Success looks like a validated QA plan and vendor alignment by end of week. Then read the 1-line agenda. 10 minutes to decide, 15 to surface blockers, 5 to assign owners, and a 2-day verification check. Use a decision card. 1 line with 3 fields. Decision, success criteria, time box. Example, decision, finalize launch date, success, QA sign-off plus vendor confirmation. Time box, 10 minutes. Put that line in chat or paste it at the top of the meeting note. When the team sees the decision in plain text, conversations shift from reporting to resolving. Act 2, focused exploration. With the decision framed, run a time-boxed exploration to surface trade-offs and blockers. Limit options, 2 or 3 at most, and force concise evidence. For example, option A, keep original date. Risk, incomplete QA. Mitigation, add dedicated QA weekend. Evidence, 2 of 3 critical tests failing now. Keep contributions short. A 1-sentence rationale, 1 data point. Introduce a trade-off card to capture each option. Option, upside, downside, evidence, estimated recovery time. Use that card out loud or in chat. It creates visible trade-offs and prevents rehashing. If discussion drifts, the facilitator says, we've captured that as an action to investigate. Right now, we need the top decision input. It's firm, not rude. It keeps the meeting disciplined. An evidence checklist helps. Current test pass rate, vendor commitment status, customer impact score, and estimated work to recover. Ask each person to name 1 evidence point, 1 fact, 1 voice. That constraint surfaces the real blockers fast and reveals when the team actually needs a longer working session. Act 3, commit and verify. Once the team chooses an option, lock owners, deadlines, and a brief verification ritual. Say, decision, launch date set to May 12th. Owner Priya for QA, due Wednesday EOD. Verification, short sync Thursday morning with a 1-line status report, green, yellow, red. Use the commit and check template. Owner, deliverable, due date, verification check window, and acceptance signal. That last bit matters. Define what done looks like. Make the verification ritual short and public. A 2-line update in chat or a 5-minute stand-up is enough. Measurement rules. Track meeting ROI with 3 simple metrics. Decisions made per meeting, open blocker count at the end of the meeting, and follow-through rate at verification. You don't need new tools. Your calendar invites, chat, and a shared note are enough. A few practical checks to avoid the traps. First, don't weaponize the structure. It's a discipline, not a hammer. Second, if the team needs deeper exploration, the 3-act meeting should make that visible. Schedule a focused workshop with a clear scope and owners. Third, run a 2-week pilot and hold a short retrospective to lock in the habit. Behavior change needs a moment of reflection. Recap. 3 templates you can use right now. Decision card, decision/success criteria/time box. Trade-off card, option/upside/downside/evidence/recovery time. Commit and check, owner/deliverable/do/verification/acceptance signal. Measure using decisions per meeting, open blockers after the meeting, and verification follow-through. Simple, measurable, repeatable. Reflection. What meeting on your calendar is draining energy but not producing decisions? Your 1 action step this week. Redesign that recurring meeting using the 3-act template. Put the decision card at the top, limit options in the exploration, and finish with commit and check. Run it for 2 weeks, then ask the team, did this meeting save us time or make decisions faster? Use their answer to iterate. If today's episode added value, subscribe to the Kunateh Impact Show so you don't miss future tactics on leadership, execution, and building a lasting legacy. Lead with purpose and create lasting impact. Thank you for listening to the Kunateh Impact Show. If today's episode added value, share it with someone who's committed to growth. And remember, real leadership isn't about position or title. It's about influence and impact. Until next time, keep leading with purpose and creating a lasting impact.